It is time to learn how to lift your legs without your abs bulging. This is a progression that your body needs to go through in order to get strong enough to lift your legs in real life activities. Now, lay down on your back and you can prop up your head if you need to, and bend your knees and put your feet flat on the ground. Take a nice full inhale, and then on the exhale, allow the ribs to push down. And while keeping your head down, make sure your pelvic floor comes up. And as you exhale, lift a leg and make sure that you don't have any bulging or doming going on with the abs. This marching exercise is considered level one when it comes to strengthening a diastasis. Once you've mastered this without any bulging, then you can move to bicycles.